I see something down there. Can it be a bone port or is it from tree? I have no clue. It looks like bone. Yes. Here we have a big bone part that I just found. This is a bigger one. Look at my hand. Can it be from moose? Maybe. This one I will bring home. I saw it from up there. Usually I'm looking more at the same place when I find something like that, but I have never found another bone part in the area, so who knows how this ended up here. Is it some animal that have died here, or is that part been taken from somewhere else here? Down there is a small road. It's very warm today, but I have come here in the afternoon because in the middle of the day I would not be able to walk here. I just want to continue further and further, but I will go there. Look here, here we have something that wants to bite me. Oh.